Hello, this is the Tachibana Corporation coming at you with another unboxing video. And today we got our hands on the iPhone 14 on day one. Let's go ahead and get a look at the front of the box. So last year they went with the back of the phone design, and then for the 12 they went with the front of the phone, which is what they did this year. So I'm starting to wonder if they're alternating or something. But outside of that, the box looks identical to last year's. Completely identical. And then the foil for the iPhone and the Apple are blue, because that's the color of the phone we got. Alright, let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Love these easy open tabs that Apple has. There's two easy open tabs. Okay. Okay. And there it is. His blue color it's fairly light. It almost looks like a really extremely light purple, maybe. It's fairly light. Now let's go ahead and compare it with last year's model. So this is the 13. So far it looks identical. Everything's in the same place. Buttons are the same. I do notice the missing SIM tray since they no longer support that. Let's go ahead and do this side. Yeah, they look identical in every way except for the SIM tray door. Let's go ahead and get this open. You can see it has the same notch in the same place. I know it's a little hard to tell on the black, but you can kind of see the indentation under the glass, and it looks exactly the same. So the 13 and the 14 are pretty much identical. Let's go ahead and see how fast that boots up. And while we're waiting on that, the rest of the box is... we have USB-C to Lightning. Oh, that booted up pretty fast. The same packet as normal. Information on the fact that you no longer need a SIM card. You can activate your eSIM during iPhone setup. And then there's a link here for more information. So this used to be a SIM card ejector, which rightfully you no longer need. And here's some basic iPhone stuff. And then the sticker that I dropped. This is all pretty standard Apple stuff. The only thing that's changed this year is this piece of paper instead of a SIM card ejector. And then that's everything. Alright, so this is the new iPhone 14. It looks pretty much identical to the iPhone 13. In fact, I will go ahead and try and put an iPhone 13 case on the iPhone 14. It does not fit. Yeah, it's not going over this corner here. Interesting, so the camera must be just slightly larger. But otherwise, it looks just the same. And with that, I do believe that is the end of our iPhone 14 unboxing. Let us know down in the comments if there's anything else you'd like to do an unboxing over next. We will go ahead and catch you guys next time.